I'm going to construct line segments that are parallel to each other. First method that I'm going to show you involves a ruler. So I'm going to line up one edge of the ruler with the segment AB that I've already drawn so that the edge coincides with the segment. Once that's done, I'm going to draw a line on the other edge of the ruler, fit the pen in nice and snug, draw a line. I'm going to label that segment CD. So segment CD is going to be parallel to segment AB. Sometimes we indicate that, for example, by doing that. Now let's check. Let's use a ruler and check on the vertical distance between those two lines. So right there I'm getting a vertical distance of about 2.9 centimeters. If I go to a little bit further, again I'm getting a vertical distance of about 2.9 centimeters. And if I go down here towards this end, again I'm getting a vertical distance between them of about 2.9 centimeters. So segment CD is parallel to segment AB. Now, for the second method, I'm going to utilize a compass and a ruler. So I'm going to open up the compass. I'm going to put the point in at A, and I'm going to open it up so that the pencil end is right at B. So in other words, the opening of my compass is the distance between A and B. With the point at A now, I'm going to draw an arc. Same opening on the compass with the pointy end at B now. I'm going to draw another arc. I'm going to label where these two arcs intersect. I'll label that point C. I haven't changed the opening of my compass. I'm going to put the pointy end at C, and I'm going to draw another arc here. And where these two arcs intersect, I'm going to label that point D. Now I'm going to draw a line segment between points C and D. So this line containing points C and D is going to be parallel to segment AB. Let's check that. Use our ruler. Let's check the vertical distance. For example, down on this end between the two lines. And that vertical distance looks like approximately 8.5 centimeters. Let's move down a little further, take the vertical distance between them. Again, approximately 8.5 centimeters. Let's move down here further, take the vertical distance between them. Again, approximately 8.5 centimeters. So those two lines are indeed parallel to each other. And again, sometimes you might see something like that to signify that those two lines are parallel.